Wait. Imagine a world where many everyday products are manufactured with extraordinary precision, one molecule at a time. Imagine cleaner production, advanced medicines, stronger materials and technologies that today seem almost impossible. This is the vision of molecular manufacturing, one of the most ambitious ideas in modern science and engineering. Today, researchers have already developed the first generation of molecular machines. Scientists use techniques such as DNA origami, atomic force microscopy, and advanced nanotechnology to position individual atoms and molecules with remarkable precision. These breakthroughs are expanding our understanding of what can be built at the smallest scales. Although the progress is remarkable, significant scientific and engineering challenges remain. Researchers must develop reliable molecular assembly methods, control complex chemical reactions with extreme accuracy, improve manufacturing speed, ensure safety, and create practical systems that can operate outside specialized laboratories. If these challenges are eventually overcome, future molecular manufacturing could transform many industries. Scientists envision advanced manufacturing systems capable of producing highly complex materials with minimal waste, accelerating medical innovation, creating stronger and lighter materials, improving sustainable manufacturing, and supporting future exploration of space. While this vision remains an active area of research rather than an established technology, its potential continues to inspire scientists around the world. The possibilities are extraordinary. More efficient production, smarter materials, cleaner manufacturing, and faster scientific discovery could reshape the way humanity designs, builds, and innovates for generations to come. The future is being imagined today, and tomorrow's greatest breakthroughs often begin with today's boldest ideas. If you enjoy exploring the technologies that may shape the future of humanity, subscribe to Everyday 365, turn on notifications, and let us know in the comments. The future is being imagined today. If you're excited about technologies that will reshape humanity, subscribe to Everyday 365, turn on notifications, and comment below. What would you create first with molecular manufacturing? Welcome to episode 1 of Imagining Science and Technology.